Hi, this is Kapil. Well, jalebi. Jalebi is one thing which is loved by everybody, be it festive season or not. Everybody loves piping hot jalebis. So today I'm going to make paneer jalebi. Let's start. First of all, I'll make the batter for paneer jalebi. So into the bowl, I'll add maida. And after adding maida, I'll add corn flour, baking soda. And I'll make a thick batter using water. Add water gradually in order to get rid of lumps and whisk. And this batter is done, but minus paneer. So we'll crumble this soft and creamy paneer using hands so that it's easily blended with the batter which I have prepared. That's it. So paneer is nicely crumbled. And next, I'll blend paneer with the prepared batter. After blending paneer with the batter, we'll get the desired consistency which is required for jalebis. And into this prepared batter. Just mix it once and now blend. And meanwhile, I've already prepared sugar syrup. It's a simple sugar syrup of one string consistency which consists of equal part of sugar and water. And after that, I've added cardamom powder and saffron for flavor. That's it. And a jalebi batter, paneer jalebi batter is absolutely ready. So it has to be exactly like this and no need to add water into the batter. And next step is to make jalebis. We'll make jalebis and for that I've already kept ghee in the pan and ghee has to be between medium to low heat. It shouldn't be too much hot. So let's do one thing. I'll whisk it. And now we'll add the batter in the piping bag. Fitted with star nozzle. I'm making it a little fancy. And now, the fun part of it, the jalebi making time. And after jalebis have risen to the surface, now it's the time to turn. As you can see, the color of jalebis is turned nice golden brown and they're almost ready. And now immediately I have to immerse these jalebis into sugar syrup. Now keep these paneer jalebis immersed in the sugar syrup for at least 2 to 3 minutes till they soak up all the goodness of syrup nicely and they'll be juicy and crispy and jalebi will be ready. And next thing is we'll serve hot piping jalebis into a platter. So hot paneer jalebis are absolutely ready. I'm going to garnish it with some pistachios. And instant paneer jalebi is ready. So do try this different recipe of paneer jalebi at home. It's not difficult at all to make jalebi. Trust me, do try this recipe, share your feedback with me and goodbye and take care.